What is the Freemake audio converter? The Freemake audio converter converts from over 100 different input formats. It converts to the most popular audio formats like MP3, WMA, WAV, FLAC, AAC, M4A, and OGG. It converts to M4A for use on your iPod, iPhone, or iPad. You can also merge or join multiple audio files into a single file. The Freemake audio converter is better than most paid-for products, but is available to you as freeware. Just as with the Freemake video converter, this product is of the highest quality and extremely easy to use. Let's download and install the Freemake audio converter. Open a web browser like Internet Explorer, and then in the address bar, enter freemake.com and press enter. On the Freemake homepage, click the download link under the Freemake audio converter. On the download information bar, click the Run button. This will download the file and then automatically start the installer. On the Select Setup Language window, click the OK button. On the Setup Freemake Audio Converter window, on the Welcome screen, click the Next button. On the Select Component screen, leave Full Installation selected, and then click the Next button. Setup will download some additional files totaling about 10 megabytes, and then it will install the Freemake Audio Converter. On the Completing the Freemake Audio Converter Setup Wizard screen, deselect the Launch Freemake Audio Converter option, and then click the Finish button. You can start the Freemake Audio Converter in one of two ways. Option 1, you can double-click on the Freemake Audio Converter icon on the desktop. Option 2, you can click the Windows Start button, All Programs, Freemake, and then select the Freemake Audio Converter. In the Freemake Audio Converter window, you'll see a very clean, intuitive interface. To add an audio file to work with, click the Audio button. On the Open window, browse for and select the file you want to use. In the Conversions directory on my X drive, I have an LMFAO song. Either double-click on the file, or select the file and then click the Open button. The file will open, showing you the file type, which in this case is MP3, the title, which is LMFAO Party Rock Anthem, the length of the track, which in this case is 4 minutes and 23 seconds. It also provides more detailed information such as the bitrate, and finally the file size, which in this case is 10.19 megabytes. Now if you want, you can add additional tracks to the list, and then click the Join Files button to change it to On. This will combine all of the files into one file. The Freemake Audio Converter supports outputting the files as MP3, WMA, WAV, FLAC, ACC, M4A, and OGG. Let's convert this file from an MP3 to a WMA, or Windows Media Audio file. We'll click the To WMA button. The WMA Output Parameters window will open. By default, it will have the optimum quality with WMA Original. This means it will use the same bitrate and other settings as the source file, while outputting the file in the new format. Clicking the listed quality will give you a drop-down menu with additional presets. You can click the Add Your Preset button. With this, you can select whatever audio codec, channels, sample rate, or bitrate that you want. By default, it'll try to save the files in the My Music folder. If you want to change the save location, click the Browse button, select the new location where you want to save the file, and then click the Save button. Once everything is set the way you want, click the Convert button. The Conversion to WMA window will open. The conversion should be very fast. Once it's complete, click the OK button, and then the Close button. Here we can see the original MP3 file and the WMA that we just created. You should now have the Freemake Audio Converter installed, have a good understanding of the available options, and be able to export audio to the available formats.